Hello students, let me show you how to find your grades in this course. So from the home page, you go to the left side here on this navigation pane and click on Grades. This will take you to your grades. Now this is the test student, so his name is not here. But you will find your name, and the name of the assignment here is 1-3B Discussion Introductions. The due date for this assignment, the score for the test student was 10 out of 15. So the total possible score is 15, but the student got a 10. Okay? Now, if you want to look at your assignment, you can click on this, and here is your work. This is the comment from the teacher, and this is the score, the grade again. Okay? So that is how to get to the grades from the home page. I just go to the left side and click on Grades. Okay? Now, if you are on the assignment page, example, this email assignment, and you want to get to the grades, you can also click here on the side, or you can click on this link here in blue where it says Grades. I can click on this, and it takes me to the same page again. The name of the assignment, the due date, the score out of the possible score here. Okay, so I hope this helps you find your grades in the assignment page and from the home page. Thank you.